Well, hello and welcome. Yes, to the Orange County Public Library System. I am Mr. Bill, at least that's what they call me here at the library, and I'm in the children's section. Yes, of the main library. I hope you can come down and visit us sometime. I've got a great program. This is Storybook Fun, and it's a program designed for children 3 to 5, but everybody's welcome. A program based on every child ready to read. And those are the main elements of reading, writing, talking, singing, and playing. We're going to be doing some playing today. We'll also be doing some singing. Let's get started. You ready? Let's start by saying hi. Hello, everybody, and how are you? Well, hello, everybody, and how are you? It's a beautiful day outside, and it's great to be alive. Well, hello, everybody, and how are you? Oh, I hope you're doing fine. I am? Yeah. Let's get started. Let's wake up those knees. Ready? Here we go. Can you touch your other knee? Here we go. Wake up knees, how are you? How are you? Good morning to my knees, good morning to my knees. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Wow, my knees are nice and warm. They're awake. Let's wake up our belly button. Wake up, belly button, wake up. How? Oh, I'm ticklish. I think my belly button's awake. Let's see if we can wake up those shoulders. Can you get them up to your ears? Let's try. Wake up, shoulders. Wake up, shoulders. How are you? Oh, that feels good. How are you? Now let's try this. Put your hands on top of your shoulders. Morning to my shoulders. Good morning to my shoulders. I love you. I love you. Did you reach over and touch your other shoulder? Good job. Let's wake up those fingers now. You got them ready? Wake up fingers. Wake up fingers. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, my fingers. I love you. That's so silly. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm all awake. Oh, wait, let's do one more. You ready? Let's take our thumbs, put your thumbs up, put your thumbs down. Now cross them over, get them together, and turn them around. Did you do that? That's kind of hard. Let's try it again. Ready? Thumbs up, thumbs down, cross them over, get them together, and turn them around. Oh, yeah. Oh, caregivers and adults, when we do that, that's a great way to get that brain going. Yeah, you're doing it across the midline, and you're doing a sequence of actions. That's a great thing to do. Well, let's take a look at what letter we're going to look at today. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it. It's all by itself. Can you see it? Oh, yeah. Oh, are you ready to sing our alphabet song? Let's give it a try. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Did you guess what our letter was? It's all by itself. V. There it is. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's towards the end of the alphabet, and not many people use that V all that often. The V sound. V. Yeah. Oh. Let me put one up on the board so we can see what it looks like. Oh, there you go. Can you see that V there? Oh, a V is a fun thing to draw. You go down, whoop, and then you go up. Woo! You go down, whoop, and you go up. There's the capital or the uppercase V, and there's the lowercase v, the little one. They look exactly the same, just one's a little smaller, but they both make the same sound. V, v, not b, not d, but v, v. Can you think of any words that start with that sound? Let's see. Oh, let me give you a hint. A mountain that loses its top and spits out hot lava molten rock. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you do. A volcano. That's right. Oh, here's another hint. It's not a car, and it's not as big as a truck. It's somewhere in between. A lot of people can ride in it, or people deliver packages with it. Oh, you know what I'm talking about? A van. That's right, van. Volcano. Can you think of another word that starts with a V? Oh, the sound a car makes when it goes vroom. Oh, that's a good one. How about vegetables? Oh yeah, vegetables. Why, look, I've got my overalls on because when you start messing with vegetables, you get in the dirt. That's right. You know what I'm talking about? Well, those vegetables, they start off like seeds. Oh, there's carrots, and there's some radishes. Oh my, lots of seeds in there. And what else do I have? Oh my, what have I got over here? Oh, I've got some peas. Oh yeah. Oh, some people, they're not sure if that's a vegetable or not, but we're going to call it a vegetable because that's usually what they say. You got to eat your peas, right? Oh, and don't forget corn. Oh, yeah. There's all kinds of vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, spinach. Oh, boy. Well, you know how we grow vegetables? Well, we got to get in the dirt. We take our seeds, and sometimes they're not that big. Can you take a look at any of these seeds here? If I put them right there, oh my. I got them in a bag so they don't fall all over. Are you getting too much glare? No? All right. Yeah, there's some corn seeds in there. There's some pea seeds. Let's see if I put them in my hand, what it looks like. Yeah. There we go. How about that? Yeah. There's the pea right there, and there's the corn, and there's even some carrot seeds. They're so small, you can barely see them. And radish seeds. Oh my goodness. So teeny tiny. Well, when you put your seeds in the ground, you only have to go about a 1/4 inch down. You just stick your finger into the ground, like that. And again, and you drop the seed in. Boom, boom, boom. And then you cover it up. Oh, yes. And once you get it all covered up, yep, you got to put some water on it. Shh, not too much. You want to drown them. Oh, make sure the sun gets on them. Yeah, let's give it a try. This is the way we plant the seeds, plant the seeds, plant the seeds. This is the way we plant the seeds so early in the morning. Oh, this is the way we cover the seeds, cover the seeds, cover the seeds. This is the way we cover the seeds so early in the morning. This is the way we water the seeds, water the seeds, water the seeds. This is the way we water the seeds so early in the morning. Oh, and they start to grow. Caregivers, adults, planting seeds is one of the best ways to share with your child the cycle of life. Oh, that's a wonderful thing to do. And here in Florida, you can plant things all year long, and you can get them to grow. Just got to look on the back of the packet. Yep. And it tells you all about it. It tells you when to plant. It tells you how to plant, how far apart, how deep. Yeah. And when to expect them to pop up. Oh, that's a good thing. Take a look at that. Get some packets of seeds and just have some fun with it. Yeah. Oh, that's a great thing. Well, you know, that reminds me of a story. Well, of course, everything reminds me of a story. I'm a storyteller. And, oh, let me put my hat on. Yeah, to match my outfit here. I got to get my farmer's hat. You ready? All right. There we go. How's that? What? No? Oh, I got the Dr. Seuss hat. Oh, that's silly. Here, let me put on my farmer's hat. Here we go. Ah, there we go. No, Oh. Oh my goodness. That's a Santa hat. That's not my farmer's hat. Well, I think this is better. Here we go. How about that? No, it's good for out in the sun, but I don't know if it's my farmer's hat. Nope. This is my safari hat, my pith helmet. I look pithy, but it's not a farmer's hat. How about this one? Oh my. All right, now we're ready. Okay. Well, this is about the enormous turnip. Oh, that's a vegetable that grows down into the ground just like a carrot. Oh, yeah, or a potato or a radish. Yep. But this one was enormous, humongous, gigantic, big, really big. Oh, yeah. Well, it grew down, and the farmer came, and it was time to pick it out. That's right, because you got to pick out your vegetables. Got to pull them out of the ground. This one was so big, all that was sticking up were the greens. Yep, the greens, and he grabbed hold of the greens, and he started to pull and pull with all his might. But he could not pull that turnip out of the ground. He pulled, and he pulled, and he pulled. He wasn't getting anywhere. So he called his wife. Ma, I need some help out here. And his wife came. She grabbed onto his overalls, like I got on, and he grabbed onto the greens, and they both began to pull and pull and pull. But they could not pull that giant turnip out of the ground. Not at all. No. Well, so the wife, she called the daughter. Hey, daughter, come on out here. We need some help. And the daughter came running. She grabbed hold of her mother's apron strings. You see the apron? Yep. And there's her apron strings. And the mother grabbed hold of the farmer's overalls, and the farmer grabbed hold of the top of the turnip, and they began to pull and pull and pull, but they could not pull that turnip out of the ground. Not at all. And so the girl called the dog. Hey, dog, get out here. We need some help. And the dog came. He grabbed hold of the girl's T-shirt, and the girl grabbed hold of the mother's apron strings, and the mother grabbed hold of the farmer's overalls, and they all began to pull and pull and pull. But they could not pull that turnip out of the ground. And so the dog called, who do you think? The cat. Meow. The cat grabbed hold of the dog's tail. The dog grabbed hold of the girl's T-shirt. The girl grabbed hold of the mother's apron strings. The mother grabbed hold of the farmer's overalls, and they all began to pull and pull and pull. But they could not pull that turnip out of the ground. And just then, a little mouse came by. Squeak, 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 squeak. Can I help? And they all laughed. A little mouse? You're going to help us? All right, give it a try. And so the mouse grabbed hold of the cat's tail. The cat grabbed hold of the dog's tail. The dog grabbed hold of the girl's T-shirt. The girl grabbed hold of the mother's apron strings. The mother grabbed hold of the farmer's overalls. And they all began to pull and pull and pull until finally, pop, out of the ground came that giant turnip. Oh my, look at that. It just goes to show you, you're never too small to help, no matter what size you are. That's right. Oh, and caregivers and adults, this is a great story. I like this. It's an accumulative story. One thing builds upon another. It's great for sequencing. It's also great for vocabulary, and it's really a lot of fun for memory too. Try and tell the story and have your child tell it back to you. That's a great and fun activity to do at any time. It helps promote narratives. Oh, well, you know what? They picked up that turnip. Let's pick up some of our vegetables that we planted. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I see some radishes. Let's pick them up. All right, this is the way we get the radish, oh, and some carrots. This is the way we get the carrots, oh, what else do we have here? Some beans. This is the way we get the beans, oh, and some celery. Oh my, we might have to cut that off. Oh, get the celery and the broccoli. Oh my goodness. We're getting lots of vegetables and some onions and potatoes. Oh my. Let's get everybody off of the board here. Come on off of the board. Oh, those are all our characters in our story. Yep. Oh, and let's put our vegetables up on the board. Let's see. We got some peas here. Oh, I like those peas. And we have some carrots. Oh, yeah. And what else do we have? We've got, some snap peas and some green beans and some, let's see, we got some pizza and we got a hot dog bun. Oh, hey, look, there's a hot dog that goes in it too. Look at that. And we got an egg and we got a strawberry and we got broccoli. We've got some corn. We've got pepper, and we've got some cauliflower and some celery. What? What's the problem? Is there a problem? Oh, wait a minute. That's not all vegetables, is it? Not at all. What do we have to get rid of? The hot dog? Oh yeah, that's definitely not a vegetable. All right, what else should we get rid of? The egg? Oh yeah, that's not a vegetable. No. The pizza? No, that's not a vegetable, but you can put vegetables on pizza. Sure. Strawberry. Yep, that's not a vegetable. All right, well, what's left here? Culinarists will call vegetables. That's right, when you cook things like that. But a lot of people argue about the pepper and the peas and the beans, and those are legumes. But when Mom tells you eat your peas and eat your beans, she's saying eat your vegetables, right? All right. Oh my, look at all the good stuff to eat. Oh, what do we have here? Carrots, peas, broccoli. Carrots, peas, and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. In a snack or in my lunch. Veggies are fun to munch. Yes. Carrots, peas, and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Plant your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Yeah, it's a good thing to do. It's a fun thing to do. I'm so glad you stopped by today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. I can't wait to see you again. Till next time, let's say goodbye. You ready? So long, friends. So long, friends. So long, friends. It's time to say so long. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to find out when we have new fun and informative videos for you. Orange County Library System is your place to learn, grow, connect.